I did a fourth day. You're gonna
love shack.
He said just see him do the drawer and it's hooked up section.
Yeah, you'll get touched about.
Hey, are you gonna drink this milk? Hey, Cecil, I'll give you this milk if you do that.
Oh!
You gotta, yeah. See, you see this milk. All right.
Hey, Russell.
See, it's not even open.
Bitch, I know how to open these things without opening the thing, so I don't trust like giving blowjobs.
Okay, well, you're still gonna have to do that.
What'd she say? It's like, you like giving blowjobs and said, I'd rather not say, bitch. How much money do you make?
Are you recording me too?
Oh, look at all this.
This.
Salt, pepper, condiments.
Yeah, just like make sure there's nothing in there.
Are you a slut?
Overweight seagull.
What the hell?
Whoa! I asked what my name was, she said you're lying.
Alright, count down, guys. Someone count down. Easy, count down. I need your help.
I need help. Hold my hand, man. Hold my hand.
Okay.
We love you. You're even a slutty asshole.
Come on, Joe, hold it in. Do it. Dang it. Okay.
Count down.
Cecil. 3, 2, 1, go.
I burned!
I'm done with this shit. I'm done.
Sort the milk.
Sniffing pepper!
I cannot believe you just snorted pepper, bro.
It's nasty milk.
You know how much you did?
Almost all.
Oh.
I did a fourth. You did like 3/4.
My nose hurts. Ethan's right. You can't taste it in the back of your throat.
See?
Now my other nostril goes slow.
Yeah, you're spilling another one.
Upload to
I can't
YouTube.
sniff with that nostril.